Hello, my friends. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey through California's lush vineyards. From the first sprout of a grapevine to the final bottle of wine, we'll explore how billions of grapes are nurtured and harvested. Buckle up as we dive into the world of viticulture in the Golden State. Our journey begins in the early months of the year, from January to February, when grape farming is in full swing. Here in California's southern San Joaquin Valley, the process of establishing a new vineyard begins with precision. Workers stake out the land, install automatic watering systems, and prepare the perfect environment for young seedlings. Thousands of grapevines are carefully planted, about 900 per acre, spaced 7 feet apart. As of 2023, California boasts an impressive 18,000 acres of vineyards, accounting for 95% of the nation's grape-growing area. Once planted, the grapevines are meticulously tended. Each vine is secured to a pole, encouraging vertical growth. Over the next 3 years, the vines will develop, though they won't bear fruit until their 3rd year. In winter, the pruning process begins on 5-year-old vines. This involves removing older branches to encourage new growth in spring. By May, the vines begin to bear fruit, and the grapes take about 70 days to ripen. As the grapes ripen, the excitement builds for harvest season. This crucial period typically runs from August to October. Workers are deployed in vast numbers, around 95,000 during the peak season. They harvest grapes by hand, carefully selecting only the best. This labor-intensive process ensures high quality, but comes with its challenges. Hand harvesting allows for careful selection and avoids damage to the delicate fruit, but it is time-consuming and costly, with workers earning about $18 per hour. In contrast to manual harvesting, mechanical harvesters offer a more efficient but less delicate approach. These machines can cover vast areas quickly, reducing labor costs significantly. However, they can be rough on the grapes, sometimes resulting in higher levels of damaged or unripe fruit. Mechanical harvesting is typically used for wine grapes, where the focus is more on volume rather than the pristine quality required for table grapes. In 2023, California produced a staggering 6.1 million tons of grapes, contributing significantly to the $5.4 billion value of the state's grape industry. At processing plants, grapes are sorted, cleaned, and prepared for their next journey, sent to wineries for juice and wine production. After arriving at the winery, grapes undergo a rigorous process. First, they are destemmed and crushed to release their juice. This juice is then fermented in large tanks, where yeast converts the sugars into alcohol. The wine undergoes aging, either in oak barrels or stainless steel tanks, to develop its flavor. After aging, the wine is filtered, blended, and finally bottled. Each step in this process is crucial for crafting the perfect bottle of wine. As we conclude our journey, it's clear that the process of growing and harvesting grapes in California and transforming them into wine is a blend of tradition and innovation. The dedication of thousands of workers and the advancement of technology both play crucial roles in bringing these wonderful fruits to our tables and glasses. Whether hand-harvested with care or gathered by machines, each grape carries the story of California's rich agricultural heritage. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the grape harvest of California. We hope you've gained a new appreciation for the hard work and innovation behind every bottle of wine.
And next, it's a wonderful day to explore a farm full of ripe pomegranates. Join me as we dive into the process of growing and harvesting this amazing fruit and discover the incredible benefits it brings to our health. These vibrant red pomegranates aren't just visually stunning, they are packed with impressive nutritional value. Originating from the Mediterranean region, pomegranates have become one of the most popular fruit crops globally, especially for producing juice. Inside the pomegranate are jewel-like seeds called arils. Each aril is wrapped in a thin, juicy layer with a refreshing and delicious taste, and they're packed with essential nutrients like vitamins C and K, as well as powerful antioxidants. You can enjoy the arils directly or press them into a nutrient-rich juice. Pomegranate juice can be sweet or slightly tart, but most fruits provide a balanced, pleasing flavor. This juice has long been a popular drink in Europe and the Middle East, and it's now widely enjoyed across the United States and Canada. Drinking pomegranate juice regularly is not just a treat, but also offers numerous health benefits. It helps fight oxidation, protects the body from free radicals, improves heart health, supports digestion, and even contributes to healthier skin. Now let's take a closer look at how pomegranate trees are grown and nurtured. Pomegranates thrive best in loose, nutrient-rich soil with a pH range between 6.5 and 7.5. Farmers often supplement the soil with organic compost to enhance its nutrient content and improve structure. The pomegranate seedlings are carefully selected, about 3 months old and approximately 1.2 meters tall. They are then planted in prepared holes with sufficient spacing to allow the trees to grow properly. Pomegranates are drought tolerant, making drip irrigation the most effective watering method. The drip system provides water consistently and accurately, ensuring the trees receive adequate moisture without wasting water. After the first year, pomegranate trees begin to flower and bear fruit. However, for stable commercial production and high-quality fruits, we need to wait about 2 to 3 years after planting. Harvesting pomegranates is not a process that can be rushed. Picking the fruit too early will result in underdeveloped flavor and quality, reducing its commercial value. The first fruits of the season often shed naturally as part of the tree's natural process, discarding those that don't meet the quality standards. Pomegranates are typically ready to be harvested about 120–130 days after the fruit sets in. Before harvesting, farmers carefully inspect each fruit to ensure it has reached the perfect ripeness with vibrant red color, a plump skin, and an ideal weight of around 400 grams. Now it's time to start harvesting. Harvesting pomegranates requires skill and precision. Workers use specialized scissors to cut each fruit from the branch, carefully handling them to avoid damaging the skin. This process is done entirely by hand, ensuring that each pomegranate is treated with care. After being harvested, the pomegranates are neatly packed into baskets and transported to the processing facility. Here, they go through stages like cleaning, sorting, and packaging to prepare for juice production. Pomegranates are not just for juicing, they are also a fantastic ingredient in culinary arts. The vibrant red arils can be added to salads, desserts, and even main dishes to enhance color and flavor. Pomegranate syrup, known as grenadine, is another product made from pomegranates and is widely used in cocktails like Tequila Sunrise and Shirley Temple. Pomegranates also carry deep cultural significance, symbolizing abundance, fertility, and eternal life in many ancient cultures. So we've journeyed through the entire process of growing and harvesting pomegranates and explored the wonderful benefits this fruit offers. It's a labor of love from the farmers who tend to these trees, bringing fresh, nutritious pomegranates to our tables. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. See you next time on our next adventure.